What a fine day it is. Behind some couch. Yeah. Hey Thomas, Percy. Oh, hi, metallic version of me. You know how Nora Mockbell got those new trains in the last short? Don't you mean new toys? Because there's only one train. Well, he got a new engine today. Really what it is. Come see. And he also got another engine. Okay, so what does this metallic engine look like? It's basically Percy in a mail car if they were metallic. Really? Where are they? Over there. Oh my god. Yep, it's metallic Percy. That's really cool. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm regular Percy. I'm metallic Percy. See, look at my paint. That's really great. Yes, hi, I'm Metallic Thomas. I'm the train that Normal got like some time ago. And I'm just him, but just regular version. And with a bit of details. Oh, that's great. There's actually another toy that Normal got. I already told him that. He's over there. How we not notice him from behind? What is that? Hello, I'm a Lego train. How can you talk about face? I don't know. Just, hey, I can talk about face. Isn't that great? Well, the, engine from that one episode, I can't remember its name, but he didn't have face, but he can talk in the book version. So, yeah. But that looks like it's blockos. Regular Percy? That's Lego. Where'd you learn how to say blockos? I heard in this one adult cartoon where, they call Lego blockos. Yeah, Norm Rockwell took a while for me to make. I'm, really great. You don't have a trackmaster coupling. Yeah, whatever. But anyways, I don't need batteries to move. I can go around easily. What is he doing? I don't know. I think he's having a seizure. Yeah. Anyways, you have a mail car, right? Yeah, so. Can I use it in some Trackmaster Thomas Friends videos? Okay. It's good that I now have 2 mail cars. Is that it? Is this all what the video is? Just 2 new toys? No, wait, Normark will also got another new thing. Really? What is it? Ow! Ugh, why did he drop it on us? I'm a rare toy. I thought Turbo Diesel, Turbo Percy, and Turbo Thomas are the rare ones. No, apparently we're the rare ones, because, our metallic paint. So he got this glue, which can change colors if you leave it in the sun. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, he tried before on some piece of paper. Actually, his sister did, but whatever. Yeah, we can just, end the video right here. Bye.